this year, the Financial Conduct Authority took over from the Office of Fair Trading. Companies have to be regulated by FCA now to show that they're giving best advice for the needs of the client. It's a very, very robust body, and as the authorisation process is going on, several companies have not met the regulatory requirements and have left the market, and other companies have decided it's not worth pursuing this, and so they too have left the market, leaving fewer companies with the same number of clients. This means that many customers have or will be orphaned by their companies. The company is managing their debt, is no longer in business, and therefore nobody is dealing with their creditors. Nor should the client be paying them anything more. The companies should, and I think in the most part will, have informed their clients of this situation, but there are sure to be more to come. Well, the first thing they need to do is get an up-to-date statement and from the company that's orphaned them, so that they know what their balances are and so forth. But could also contact the creditors themselves, but then contact one of the free-to-client debt management companies such as Payplan. The Money Advice Service also can provide advice, or they can also approach their local Citizens Advice Bureau. I should say, however, that Payplan is one of the free-to-client debt management providers and advice companies on the Money Advice Service list. Payplan are providers of free debt advice and help, and can advise on all options, as a debt management plan is not necessarily the best outcome for the client. They can be contacted on 0800 716 239 and can arrange to take a full financial statement over the telephone before offering the advice. This is completely free, totally confidential, and there is no obligation involved. Our remit is to put our clients in a position where they can make an informed decision on what steps they wish to take. We also discuss all the advantages and disadvantages of options and explain why some options may be inappropriate. Payplan are free because they are funded by the creditors for the debt management plans they provide. Every penny paid into a debt management plan in Payplan is distributed to the creditors on a pro rata basis, and then some creditors pay us, in arrears if you like, for the money we've distributed. This means that the client pays nothing for the free advice and help or for the plan. Every penny goes to the creditors. But I should also say we're not affiliated with any of the creditors, so you can expect and will get free, impartial advice. It's really easy to swap from your current provider to a DMP with Payplan. What you need is a previous statement from your previous provider, or information from the creditors themselves. Give us a call and we'll go through this another financial assessment with you. Now, we go through another financial assessment because we want to check that a debt management plan is still the best solution for you. We will actually continue to do this throughout your plan. Now, I have seen cases where a client has made one payment to their previous provider and the next payment the following month to us, which has meant it's been a seamless transfer. Do remember, though, that we are checking always to see that the outcome is in the best interest of the client. Our motto has always been Payplan, live again, and we want you to get out of debt as quickly and easily as possible.